In today's episode, we'll be drawing a whale.
Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are
K. Hi everyone, what's up? So in today's episode, we'll be drawing a whale. And it's just gonna be a simple blue whale. So I'm starting off with a curved line, like a wavy line, and then there's another curved line at the bottom to create the body and towards the tail on the left side. And then I'm creating the mouth area, so a curved line coming inwards. So one of the reasons why I'm drawing a whale is because it's my favorite sea animal. The blue whale is just so majestic and gorgeous. So yeah, I decided to draw a whale for today's episode. So I'm going to continue on with the tail, which is a curved line upwards, and another line on the other side. And then moving inwards to create the shape of the tail. So just adjusting the tail a little bit. Moving on to the blue whale's fin. It's just a curved line downwards and going back up. And then drawing the eye. The eye is just located at the place where the line bends upwards in the middle. And drawing the lower part of the body, which has lines, curved lines, a series of curved lines. And just adding some minor details. Alright, so now I'm done with the sketching part. I'm gonna color it. For Procreate, I'll be using the watercolor brush, just to experiment on how watercolor brush will look like on digital drawing. So I'm just using light blue for the bottom and slightly darker blue for the top part of the body. Trying to blend in both colors together. So I'm just coloring it over my sketch lines. And then I'm tracing over my sketch lines with a black ink. I'm adding in some minor details. Alright, I'm done with my whale drawing. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Bye!